Welcome back. In today's class, we are going to be discussing everything that has to do with conversion from one base to another base. In our previous class, you have seen how we convert a number from one base to base 10. For example, you have seen how we convert a number from base 2 to base 10, a number from base 3 to base 10. So in this class, we will progress to conversion from one base to another. For example, they can give you a number like a number in base 2 to base 5. What do you have to do? What do we need to do? What are the basic things that you need to know to do this? Now, conversion from one base to another base requires the following step. Number 1, convert that particular number they give you to base 10. Convert it to base 10, then convert it to the required base, which means that you cannot convert a number from one base to another base directly without passing through the standard base, which is base 10 that we discussed. Now let us see example how this thing is going to be done. It's going to be done. So now we are given a number 11001 in base 2 to base 3. I have told you the reason why they call every digit one by one, not as a whole number. Because if we are to pronounce this particular number as a whole number, every digit will change to another digit. I have shown you experimentally how that one happened in our previous class. So we have to convert 11001 in base 2 to base 3. How do we do that? Solution. Let us see how we are going to solve it. Now, the first thing we need to do is to convert the number to base 10. And you know, from our general expression, what are we saying? If you want to convert a number to base 10, we are saying that you take the digit, are you getting me, at a specific position, multiply it by the base at that specific position, then what do? You add it to another digit in another position, that is consequently now to another base in another position in that decreasing order. So what did this mean? I have told you, this is the digit, this is the base, yn is the position. You know that since n minus 1 and n, they are not equal, it means that d in this place and d in this place may not be the same digit. Are you getting me? That is the implication of that. Let us now do that. Now we have the first one here. Are you getting me? We have the first one here, then we multiply it by the base, then we put the position from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The position is where is what? Is 4. So we have seen the digit, we have seen the base, and then we have seen the position. Then what do? We take the second digit number. So the second digit is also 1, then we multiply it by the base and the power. But this time around, the power is the position, then this power will decrease by 1. Then let us go to the next digit. The next digit is 0. Can you now see that the next digit is not the same as the previous digit? Then we multiply it by the base, then we multiply it by the what? By the position, which is the number. Then the next is the next digit, which is another 0. We multiply the base, we multiply it by the position, which is the number. What is the next one? The next one is what? The 1, which is the last one here, the last one here, yeah. We bring it here, then multiply by the base, multiply by the base, multiply by the base, and multiply by the position, which is what? The power, which is the number. So the position starts from 0, increasing towards the left direction. Are you getting me? That is how it is done. Now, what do we do? After this, we have multiplied every digit by the base, then by the number. So what do we do to everything? Then we begin to add them one by one. Are you getting me? So what do we do then? So we have seen this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term. So there are 5 terms in this expression. I told you that wherever you see term sign, that is where you begin to count term. Are you getting me? So what do we do? This one is what? 16, right? This one is what? 8. This one is 0. This one is 0. 16 plus 8, that is 24. Then this one is what? 1. Anything plus 0 is equal to 1. So that is 25. So automatically we have converted we have converted this particular number here from base 2 to base 10. So automatically this is equivalent value of 11001 base 2. It is 25 in base 10. So for that, what do? We now convert this particular base 10 number back to what? Back to base 3. That is when we now say that yes, we have finished everything that we want to do. What is this one here? Let's go there. We want to convert 25 to what? To base 3. You know, the principle is what? Continuous division. Then divided by 3 first. What are we going to have? We're going to have 8. So, line lower. Because you know that 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. In my own base 10, no, not in your own base 10. Well, maybe your own base 10 will also give you the same answer. You know, I am a mathematician. No, and they didn't force me to do that because I want to become an engineer. So I must pass through this. What do we say? So what is that? It is 8, yes, but that 8, it remains 1. So we have remainder 1 there. This is the one that we're not talking about. Remainder 1. So what is next? We divide the 8 by 3. How many 3 are we going to see in it? That is 2. So remainder 2. So what is next? The next is that we divide this particular 2 with 3. Is it possible? No, because that remainder, this 2 here, is now less than the what? Than 3. So we cannot do any further division. We will now take the 2. Are you getting me now? We will now take the 2 and make it part of the rest of the solution because we have reached the end of the division. When our value here is less than the number that we are using to divide it, what is our answer? We are going to arrange the division, the remainder from where? From the bottom up. Are you getting me like that? So what is that? We are going to have 221 base 3. 221 base 3. I don't know how to pronounce this one in Chinese language. I should have maybe so in that case, what do we have to say? We are having 221 in base 3. What do? We have converted 11001 in base 2 to base 3. So this is our final answer, and this is how it is done everywhere in the world. Are you getting me? When we are still going to do some other solution, we are still going to look at how to tackle that problem. But I must let you know, this is expressional solution. We are still going to deal with equational one. This number based conversion, we are going to, as in we scatter everything one by one, look at the skirt and blouse to analyze everything about this problem. Are you getting me? So for your own, you are going to help me try this. You are going to convert 110011.01 base 2 to base 5. You know, when I gave you an example and I solve it, you see that it's very simple, right? You too can tackle it. But when I give you exercise, I will have that jara again for you, and that jara, it means that the question, this thing is going to be a little bit more advanced. Are you getting me like that? So, but I know you can solve this, okay? What is next? 1 2 3 4. No, isn't 1 2 3 base 4 to base 2. After you have converted it to base 2, take that number then convert it to base 16. Are you getting me like that? So this is another one. That is another one. 6 1 3 base 16. Convert it to base 2. Then convert it to base 4. This one should be base 4. Are you getting me? Not base 2, please. This one is base 4. You have to convert this one to base 4 like that. Are you getting me? So this is my assignment for you as a student that is part of this class. Are you getting me? So I think we are going to create a WhatsApp community. Then when we have that, we can share it on our bio, which is ABP Tutor page. ABP Tutors page. You are going to sit on ABP Tutors page, then you can join the community. In this community place, we are not discussing anything that has to do with comedy. No, we are not discussing anything that has to do with any kind of immoral exposure. No, we are not taking case of somebody up and fight for them. I'm so sorry, I don't have that capability for now. But what I can do for now is that you want to become a scientist, you have problem in your mathematics, whatever question that's likely to hinder you to become what you want to become in the future, for you to become a good citizen in your country. So that is what I am after. Just bring the question to the community. We will discuss it. We will look at the basic principles behind it. We will see maybe the principle is in line or it has been derivated. Are you getting me? So that's that for that. Thank you for listening. I am AB